Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this website. This is one of the best website. I using this website since 2021 and this website 100% working, and this website pay you 27 type cryptocurrency, pay you instantly to your wallet address. Okay, first of all, if you're new in this website, just click sign up. Okay, the website link available in description. Put your username, email, password, confirm password. Just click this one and select your capture. You use reCAPTCHA or self media capture, and then just click create an account. You can easily make an account. I have already an account. Just I put my username and password and I choose reCAPTCHA to solve it. reCAPTCHA and just click login. I'm logging in my account. Okay, right now I show you how you can start earning from this website, and my level is level 50. Okay, just I since 2021 I using this website. This website is working 100% and pay me a lot of cryptocurrency. The first way earning is just this one, free tokens. Just collect free tokens. The best way is a short links. Okay, this website didn't have a faucet to use. Click a faucet and you can solve a faucet, pay your amount. This website have a short links 180 short links available in here. Every short links pay you different amount of FCT tokens, and you can exchange the tokens to any cryptocurrency you want, and then you can withdraw. Okay, just I click this one, I visit this website, this short links. Just I click visit and short links will be show me. This is the short links. If for time is currently step by step show you, and you can visit this short links, and after that you just click next. Okay, and just click next to show you another page. To another timer is a step 2. Okay, 10 seconds timer. Show you a lot of advertisement, but they didn't show you any pop-up ads. Some of the short links have a pop-up ads, but this short links, the first short links, didn't have any pop-up ads. Okay, right now there's another step. There's a step 3 is a 50-second, not much more longer. I pause the video. After I solving all of this short links, I come back. And this is the last one. I just click get link, and that's it. I claim this much amount. Okay, and 50 point of level. You can increase your level. You can watch all of these short links available in here, and you can earn very much more high tokens. Okay, and every 24 hours this will be going to reload again. And the next way earning is mining. Okay, but I didn't recommend you to use mining. This is no way to you can make much more amount. Is a GPU mining for computers. The next way is a hoverboards. You can complete the hovers, but right now you can see this hover. Okay, you can complete the offer. You can click the all offer. You can see the offers. You can complete if you want. If you don't want, just ignore it. The next way is an auto claim and one manual claim. What's the difference between auto claim and manual claim? Auto claim, you can choose one cryptocurrency and choose in a faucet pay, or you can choose a credit. I choose faucet pay. Every 10 minutes 2% bonus pay you 4x, and in here you can see tell you every 40 FCT token pay you this much amount of the Litecoin, and I have this much tokens. I can use it. Yeah, I can use multiple cryptocurrency. You can click it, you can use it, and that's it. You can claim to your faucet pay every 10 minutes, but the manual faucet is little bit another way. I just choose Litecoin. I choose maximum all of the cryptocurrency. This is my balance I earn in Litecoin, and this is my bonus. I choose a capture and just self capture and just click claim. This will be added to my balance, and I go to withdraw to show you how you can withdraw your amount. You can see I have a Bitcoin, Ethereum in here, I have a Litecoin, I have a Doge, I have Bitcoin Cash, DGByte, Dashcoin, Torin. In here, this I don't know Bitcoin, how much is the price? I have 60. That's the cryptocurrency I have. I want to withdraw. Which one I want to withdraw? Litecoin. Okay, I choose Litecoin. This much is available in balance. Total withdrawal in this 2 years, I totally withdraw least, but that's great. I choose faucetpay from here. In here, putting my email. If you didn't put your email, you can go to setting, you can go to withdrawal setting, and you can put your email address of faucetpay in here. That's it, not big deal. In the withdrawal, I come back and click withdraw. Okay, I go to process faucetpay. I just click maximum. I solve a capture, recapture, solve it, and I click withdraw. I just click max because I want to withdraw all of the amounts. You can see this will be has been sent to your account. I go to my faucetpay and show you the withdrawal proof. Okay guys, I'm in my faucetpay. You can see this much is added to my account, and you can see this website sent me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay without any timer, without any second. You can claim any cryptocurrency you want from this website. This is one of the best websites to support 27 type of cryptocurrency, and you can use this one to you can earn any cryptocurrency you want. And if you want to exchange, you can exchange your cryptocurrency. If you want to exchange all of the cryptocurrency in one cryptocurrency, that's great, you can exchange it. I have a BTC. How much BTC? 8 Satoshi I have. I want to change in Ethereum. You can change it. Just self capture and just click change. This will be change your cryptocurrency to Ethereum. You can see a lot of time I change a lot of cryptocurrency to Litecoin. I can withdraw like Litecoin. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Like my videos, and if you love like this website, just comment me that I love like this website. I share with you like this website, much more website I have like this to pay you much more cryptocurrency and much more profitable websites. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.